Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A friend of mine, her name is Ashley, and she's pretty amazing. She gets Birchbox, and she gave me 3 of her Birchboxes because she didn't want any of the items inside of them, and I can't imagine why you would not want any of the items that you were sent, but that's okay. I am so thankful for friends like her, and so thankful to take them off her hands. So I did combine all 3 boxes into one, so I have a lot of stuff to go over with you guys today. Again, this is a Birchbox unboxing of sorts, but I'm not subscribed to Birchbox, so this isn't like the stuff I received, so I can't tell you much about the subscription service because I'm not a Birchbox subscriber and I never have been. What I can tell you is that I think it's roughly the same price as IPSY. IPSY is $10 a month. And instead of bags, you get boxes, and some of the boxes are actually really cute. Like this one has like little beach goers on it, which I thought was really super cute. And this one is just a really pretty like wavy design on it. And this one is, I'm thinking these are supposed to be leaves, I'm not sure. But I think the boxes are really cute and you can repurpose them for whatever. So let's just dig in. I did get 3 boxes worth of stuff from her. So the first thing is this, is it Oribe or Oribe? I'm not sure. So Oribe. Wave and Shine Spray. I'm assuming it's kind of like a hairspray. I did get this. It is just a deluxe sample size. Maybe I shouldn't spray it. Is it? Oh. It smells like a hairspray. It is, the bottle's really cold now though since I sprayed that. It says to spray on wet or dry hair, towel. To taste and let dry in the Saint Tropez air. I'm not really certain that it's a hairspray of sorts, but whatever, that's pretty cool. This is also a hair item by a wave spray. I don't know. I might actually put this in a giveaway because I don't even know what this is. A wave spray. I don't really do much with my hair. I'm not going to spray it. I might put it in a giveaway. I don't really do much with my hair, so it is what it is. I've got a Cleanin item. Cleanin is super expensive. This is a Cleanin, I can't even say it, water lip stain. I don't know what this French is, but I can't say it. So this is what the full-size item looks like. So let's open this up and see what the little tiny guy looks like. Oh my goodness, it's just a little tiny version of the full-size version. So cute. So I'm having lip issues right now, so I'm not going to put it on. It does look red though. So nice little red, orange red color stain for your lips. That's super cool. I have a stress issue that is affecting my lips, so whatever. Probably TMI. I got these Velveteen Makeup Magnet Wipes, makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. I have a Velveteen exfoliating scrub that I love, that I got in my FabFitFun box, I believe. So I'm excited to try these. I'm really excited about these guys. The next thing I have is, I believe, another hair care item. This box is really heavy. These boxes, I guess, are really heavy on hair care. This is the Velveteen Dream by Aiko. Extremely lightweight and non-sticky. This smoothing balm leaves hair soft, shiny, and frizz-free. I can't imagine putting a balm in my hair, though. I've never tried a balm in my hair, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe it'll go into my giveaway. I'm not sure. I got this Dr. Lip Miracle Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy hits. This is so tiny. So tiny. And it says, one product, 100 uses. Use every day for beautiful, soft, glossy lips. Treat dry, rough, sore, and sensitive skin. Get creative with your Dr. Lip. Use as a cheek shine. That's so weird. Tame your eyebrows. Mix. Weird. This is so weird. This is so tiny. Like, okay, so one thing I can say about IPSY versus this is that at least you get samples that are, I mean, this is so little, you guys. If I was paying $10 a month and got this size sample, I would be twisted. I would be so twisted. So this is a Dr. Lip Miracle Balm. Apparently it works wherever you want to put it. So maybe I'll try it on my lip issue here. This is an Aiko brow liner to shape and define your brows in medium. Water resistant liquid brow color. I've never really used a liquid brow color. I've seen Aiko before. Oh. What is that? That is the weirdest color. Like, it looks green, you guys. That is such... I mean, to me it looks green. To you it might look a little different color, but I mean, even on the viewfinder it looks green. So I'm not really sure. It is a like felt tip, so that's very interesting. I don't know, maybe I'll try it, but God, that just looks so green. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's very strange. I've got this Marcel City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion cream. I've had a Marcel product before that I got in, I think I got it in something I purchased on eBay. Like, somebody sent me a bunch of samples and this came, or a Marcel item came with those samples. That is the only time I've ever heard of this brand. It wasn't amazing, if I remember correctly. I'll have to go back and look in my sample stuff and see if it's in one of my videos and maybe link it. But yeah, interesting. Day or night moisturizer. It's always good to have another moisturizer though, and this one can just, like, it's perfect purse size. And again, it is not amazingly large. It is about the size of my palm. It's super tiny and it looks to be about half full. Yay, sample sizes. This is another Marcel item. This is a curling and lengthening mascara. So it just appears to have a very curled wand. And now that I've opened it, I will have to use it, try it, and tell you what I think of it. It says extension plus curl. So we will try this out. We'll see how that works. Next I got, I think it's Loke Champagne Problems. One and Done Shadow Stick. That is it. Can you see that? I'm not really into shadow pencils very much, but that is actually kind of pretty. It's very champagne-y. It would maybe do well as like a inner corner brow bone highlight. I don't know. We'll have to try it out. The next thing in here is this Avene Cleanin S Expert. What is this? For acne-prone skin. Apply morning and or evening to face. Can be used alone or in combination with a local medicinal treatment. apparently for acne, for spots and blackheads. I don't know. This is not something I've ever seen before, so it is, again, a tiny sample. Again, it is full though. It does look like it's very full. I don't know. Maybe if I have a friend who's got some acne issues, maybe. I very rarely have pimple problems, so. The next thing I got is super cute. This is a naturally quick drying cream blush. It comes in this little tiny package and it is by Peak. Says, can a blush be both metallic and matte at the same time? It's sealed at both ends, so just one second. So then, oh, this is so cute. You guys, it's a little tiny tin that you just open like this. It is a cream blush though. I'm not going to swatch it because I might put it into my giveaway. It does seem like it's probably a pretty color. It does look a little bit metallic. I don't know if you guys can tell. But I mean, it's cute. It's very pretty, but I'm just not a cream blush person. So the next thing in here is this makeup drop micro, it looks like silicone makeup sponge, which is kind of cute. I think that is just the cutest thing. It's just so tiny. It's just a silicone makeup sponge. That's pretty cute. Says, apply a small amount of product directly to the tip of your drop. Lightly dab, draw, or outline on the face. Then use the wider side of the drop to gently massage into the skin. Super cute. I do have a silicone makeup sponge, I guess, that my daughter gave me from an e.l.f. purchase that she made. So I'll have to try that out, and if I don't like it, then this will probably go into a giveaway as well. And the last thing in here I will be using is this MAC strobe cream. This is so little. This is so little. You guys, if I was paying $10 a month for the subscription service, I would be twisted at the size of these items. Like, even IPSY's items come far bigger than these. Oh, okay. So I got a little bit on my finger. And we are going to swatch that right here. Let's see. I don't know. I don't really see that it does much, to be honest. Oh, yeah, okay. I can see a little bit of a strobiness in the skin. You can definitely tell on my finger. I don't know. I'm kind of excited for that. That's really pretty. It's very light and very natural almost. It's really pretty. Alright guys, so that's everything I got from my friend Ashley. Again, she was getting Birch box, and these were 3 boxes that she didn't find any use for as far as the products went. She just gave them to me. So thank you so much, Ashley, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for joining me today. I know that you don't have to. Nobody's paying you to do so, yet you still chose to come and visit me today, and I hope that you'll want to leave some comments down in the comments section. Tell me what you're excited to see, or what you're excited for me to put into my giveaway, or tell me about any information you have on any of the items that I did show you. I hope that you'll want to subscribe to my channel on your way out. I do upload content 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Sunday, depending on how my work week is going. In the last video I just recorded, I was telling everybody that this is me, hot mess me, because this is my 7th work day so far in a row, in which I have put in no less than 12 hours of each of those days, or most of those days, I guess. There was some issues in my district that I went and helped fix, so I'm exhausted. And this is my trying not to look dead for you look, but knowing I needed to get a video up, so kind of doing something with my face to record. I put on some bronzer and some blush and some highlight and said, that's gonna have to do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys want to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I hope that you have an amazing day. I'm gonna get going. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.